Hey, what is up, guys? John here at TEMU. Welcome to the channel. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the LGW6 smartwatch by Fosmet. So before we get started, just wanted to let you guys know Fosmet did send out this watch for me to try out. So big shout out to them for doing that. But as always, this is an independent review. They had no part in the making of this video. All right, guys, so in this video, we're going to unbox this. We're going to see what we get inside the box. We're going to check out some of the features and specs, and I'll let you know what I think of it. All right, guys, so this is the box it comes in. We've got LGW6 on the bottom left here. We've got a Super AMOLED display and a picture of the watch right here on the right. And this is what we get on the bottom side. We've got Fosmet right there. All right, guys, so without further ado, let's unbox it. All right, so first up, we've got this Fosmet card. We've got email addresses for support, their Facebook and Twitter accounts. Then on the back here, we've got some warranty information. So we've got 2 years of warranty on this one. We've got your user manual. All right, so this is the user manual. We got some operation procedures right here, how to work the watch. We'll take a look at that in a bit. We'll put that off to the side. Let's see what else we get in the box real quick. So we get this tool for when you want to switch out your band to this one right here. So, yeah. Get this nice metal band here in silver. And this is a more traditional style. And it's got some heft to it. I like it. Very nice. And this is the tool for removing the pins to get that band off. So very cool that they include that. And here are those pins. And this is the watch, guys. So this watch comes in 2 colorways. There's a black and a silver. This is the silver one. So this is a more traditional design with the rounded face versus the Apple Watch that's rectangle. You've got all your crowns here. And then on the back here, you've got your sensors for like the heart rate monitor, your charging pins. And again, this comes with this military green rubber strap, more of a sport band. I'll probably leave this on for now and see how it feels with this on. So yeah, let's take off this piece. Again, this is a AMOLED display, so let's turn it on. There you go. Nice little intro there. Scan code for binding. So that QR code gives you a link to download the app. It's called the Glory Fit. And let me set up the account real quick. So this is the stock watch face. Now you can modify this. There's a spot in the app where you can download custom watch faces that you can download onto the watch. All right, so it's searching. It found it right away. Hit connect. Now we are connected. Bam. So we are paired, guys. And again, that screen is very nice. My light's pretty bright, so you can't really see the color, but it's a turquoise blue, that circle with the check mark. So very cool. So now we got that set up. All right, so before I forget, this is the charging cable. It's a USB-A to one of these things. I wish it was like a USB-C, but it's all right. That off to the side. So yeah, most of the settings you can adjust on the app. So we've got watch faces, we've got heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen settings, call reminder, SMS reminder, and all these other reminders that you can turn on. So check out some of the watch faces real quick. There's a ton on here, guys. So if you do decide to pick this up, you can check this out and decide which face you want to install. And before I forget, you can pick up this watch on Amazon. It's coming in at $69.99, but there is a $30 off coupon, so it's gonna make it 40 bucks. I'll leave this watch face on. I think it matches the aesthetic of the military green colored band. I like that. That looks so good. Feels comfortable. Very cool. Check out the middle crown real quick, see what it does. So you got your apps there. And you can scroll with it. Very nice. It's very smooth too, guys. It's really not that much lag. So you've got outdoor run, got cycling, badminton, table tennis, regular tennis, alpine, got hiking, walking, basketball, football. Tons of activities on here, guys. That's really cool. It's super smooth. Let's see, these are all the stock. Oh, there's 3 of them. So we got a Spider-Man looking thing. And then this one, which I think is clean. This is a clean look right here, guys. And this military style. I'll leave this one. Again, it matches the band. I like that. So a lot of cool features on this watch, guys, especially if you can pick it up for 40 bucks. I'll do a more in-depth review once I've used it for a little bit, but so far I'm liking it. It looks really, really clean. And I like that it's more of a traditional watch versus the rectangle Apple Watch. All right, so let's go over some of the specs real quick. So we've got a 1.43 inch AMOLED display using the Android operating system. We've got 100+ sports modes. We've got IP68 dust and water resistance. So this thing is very rugged. No problems taking it out into the elements, getting it wet or dusty or anything like that. It should stay safe. So once you got this connected to your phone, it can also give you notifications for like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and things like that, which I think is really cool. All right, guys, so some first impressions. I really like it. The build quality is on point. IP68 dust and water resistance. You've got a ton of apps or a ton of features and things that you can track, all for under 40 bucks, which is crazy. So if you guys are interested in the watch, I'll put a link in the description so you can check it out. Once I've had it for a little bit, I'll do a follow-up review and I'll let you guys know what my experiences with the watch is. But so far, I think it's awesome, especially again at that budget price point with all the features and functions that it can do. So guys, that's going to be it for this video. Just a quick unboxing of the Fosmet LGW6 smartwatch. And thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. It's very much appreciated. And as always, I'm John at TEMU. I'll see you in the next one.